What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. As most of you guys know, I have a new car, right? So I ended up getting the 440i BMW. If you guys didn't see that video, make sure you do that. But in today's video, I basically want to talk about the things that I love about this car and the things that I don't like, because obviously there's things that you like and things you don't like. Don't get me wrong, like, this is a great car. I love this car. There's actually not that much things that I hate about it. And it's not even that I hate it, it's just that I wish it had something, or like it just, you'll see what I'm talking about. But if you guys are new and you guys enjoy my content, make sure you subscribe to the channel, make sure you like the video, and all that, you hear me? Alright, let's get the bad things out of the way. So we're gonna go ahead and talk about what I dislike about this car. And one of the things being is that it has like no plugs, bro. Like, if you're looking for like a USB, I don't know if it's like I don't know where it is, or they like hid it somewhere, but this car literally has no ports, bro. Like, it just doesn't have any. Like, I've searched everywhere for it. Like, I don't know where it is. It has one USB port, but that's it. Like, that's it. You don't have no aux, nothing like that. So maybe there is one, because I've seen videos where, like, it wasn't this car exactly, but I've seen videos where they had like another port like hidden under the glove compartment. I think it's called a glove compartment. Yeah, but I checked mine's and mine doesn't have that. So I don't know what happened, but yeah, I don't have that. So that's one of the things that I don't like. I don't know why they don't have the glasses thing where you can put your glasses, like, to, you know, store it. Maybe it's in a different location, but again, I have no idea where it would be if they have it, because I get that this car is like a sporty look, so they probably don't have any like extra stuff that you don't really need. But yeah, that's another thing. Just be like, because in my Honda, I always had like a pair of glasses or like sunglasses and stuff like that stored, ready to go for, you know, whenever. And this car doesn't have that. Third thing is like storage space. Like, the trunk is big, okay? So the trunk, that it's pretty big, but in terms of like, if you're in the car, if you're in the front or the back, like, you don't really have space to put anything. The only thing you have is like the two cups holders thing, but that they're super small either way. I think, you know what? I think I'm gonna wait. Let me wait till I get home to really show you guys what I'm talking about, because right now you guys are just seeing me, and I want to show you what I'm talking about. So like I was telling you guys, so these cups, like, they're cool enough, but I feel like they're not big enough, or like I always run out of, I don't know, like, stuff doesn't fit for some reason. It just doesn't fit, right? Another thing, guys, that I wish my car had was touchscreen. This thing is not touchscreen. For some reason, on like the M Sport models, I guess, they don't have touchscreen. But if you get like a luxury, like a I don't know, 750 series, or like 750i or something like that, then it's touchscreen. But this one, for some reason, I feel like it would have been so easy if it was touchscreen. Like, I would be able to just touch what I want to do, or like move the map around and stuff, and it'd be so much easier to do things. But yeah, that's another thing. Yeah, honestly, there's not that much things that I don't like about this car, and the things that I don't like are not even that important. It's like, it's little things, you feel me? But those are just a few things that are kind of different and just, you know, annoying sometimes. Oh wait, I gotta actually show you guys something outside that I hate. I don't know if every model, or not every model, of like, if like every model of my car has this size wheel, but I absolutely, especially if you live in New York, I absolutely hate, for some, it doesn't even look like they're that thin, but I don't like how thin the rims are, or the wheel is, just because in New York there's just potholes everywhere, and if you're not paying attention, I've already hit a couple holes, and I'm very careful in driving and stuff like that, just because I'm scared of the holes popping my wheels. And the rims, like, it will bend the rim, and for this car, a rim would cost a lot of money, and the wheel too. So you know how when you have a basket, when you like bounce it on rocks, I don't know if you've done that, and it has like that bubble. I did that to one of my tires already, and I went to try to buy a new one, and I went to like ask hold on, where I gotta get the light. Oh, right here look good. And I went to like a wheel place, I don't know, whatever you get tires from. I went there and I asked them if they had, because I want to get the same exact tire, but they didn't have it. and so he said that it's fine. I can run on it for a while like that. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna keep doing. Guys, by the way, I haven't told you guys, but I ordered all of my parts. It came out to like $2,000 for everything that I wanted for my car. I'm waiting for it to get here. I'm gonna keep you guys updated though. I am gonna put it on myself for the most part. Hopefully I can do it, and you guys will see a big ass car transformation. So right now I still have it. Well, I'll show you guys. I still haven't done anything to it. I was waiting for the weather to get warmer for me to start doing stuff, but I ordered all of the parts that I wanted. You guys will see. I'm not gonna tell you guys, I'm not gonna spoil anything, but when it gets here, I'm gonna put it on. I'll probably record it for you guys, and then yeah, it's cold as hell right now. Okay, so I think that's it for the things that I don't like about this car. This car is just an amazing car, to be honest. Like, it's fast, it looks nice. It's like, you know, even though if it's a 4-door, it still looks hella sporty. Like, it's just nice, you feel me? It's a nice car, so I love this car. I be trying to keep it clean 24/7. Okay, now let's talk about the good things, the things that I love about this car besides everything. Let's start inside because it's fucking cold as frick outside. Okay, first things first, I love this iDrive system thing that it has. Like, you have so many options. You can do so much things with this. You know, it's touchscreen. How come this is touchscreen but then the actual screen is not? So yeah, you can like actually move stuff by just hovering your finger all around it and stuff, which is kind of cool. Yo, there's so many good things about this car. I'm gonna show you. Okay, so another thing is, oh my god, I can't even get into a car unless it has this parking sensor thing on, because this thing would really be saving your life in terms of like, so you don't hit anything. So basically, if I turn it on, wait, I'll turn it on, right? And you guys will see here that has like these lights. So if I get too close to something, it'll start like beeping red. Right now it's green and yellow, which is fine, but you can kind of see that if you start close to stuff, then it starts like freaking blinking red. And yeah, that I love this thing, honestly, because knowing me, I never know how close I am to a car, but after having this helps us a ton. So you still, you know, can't trust the machine always, but it does help a little bit. Another thing is that I love this. Hold on, let me put this in the back. I love these seats because like when you sit here, you're like, these things right here like hug you, bro. Like you sit there and you feel like you're really gripped in or like comfortable. It like hugs you, especially when you're driving fast. I'm not saying I drive fast. If my mom watching, I don't drive fast at all. So yeah, it really like hugs you and feels really, really comfortable. I don't know how comfortable the back seats are because I've never sat there myself, so I don't really know. And I don't know. I have no idea. I can't tell you anything about the back spots because I just don't sit there. I don't know much about it, okay? The steering wheel is amazing. Like, it's super comfortable. It's like very responsive and like yeah, it's just an amazing steering wheel. I'm not gonna lie, I just love it. I don't really use my paddle shifters. I don't know if people really use them like that. Like, I just don't use it. I'm probably just too lazy, and I just forget. Honestly, I'd be forgetting that I even have it. Yeah, honestly, I just forget. And then this is actually really cool. The display is different because usually BMWs don't really switch their display. Mine is switches with modes. Like, you have different modes. So if I put like sport, it will switch and it'll look like that. And then if I put comfort, then it'll switch and it'll look like that. And then if I put eco, then it'll look like that, which is kind of interesting because BMW is not really known for, like, you know, fancy head display or anything like that. But I usually have it like this. And also the color, right now it's like red, but it depends. That will switch depending on like whether it's dark, whether it's bright outside. So if it's bright, it'll turn white, and then if it's dark, then it'll go red, like that how it is, which is kind of interesting. And yeah, this is actually really cool. That the back, I mean, my friend was sitting there yesterday, I think 2 days ago, and I didn't know that my passenger, not the back seats of my car heat up as well, and it's not through the front. Like, it has its own heat up thing. I've never had that before. I didn't have that in my car before this one. And yeah, so if you want your ass warmers in the back when y'all ride with me, then you know you have it. But I don't really like that, my ass being warm. I just don't like that, bro. A lot of people will be liking that. Like, my friend be sitting there, he like that shit. Hey, you weirdo. But nah, I don't like that ass thing being warm. My friend Richard, who you guys saw in my last video, he liked that shit. I'm not gonna lie. He liked that ass warmer thing. And I just don't like it, bro. I don't like my butt cheek being warm. So it's a great thing to have, but I just don't like it for me. My steering wheel also, it has what's it called? The heating steering wheel, which is nice for the cold. If you live in like a cold area and you want your steering wheel to be nice and warm, this car has it. So, oh my gosh, since I told you guys that I've never sat in my back seat, oh boy, oh my goodness, I'm doing it right now. And there's like, the back seat is definitely not for tall people, or maybe it's because I have my seat all the way back, but I don't know. I actually feel like it's hard as hell back here though. It's nowhere like, hold on, let me turn on my light. Can y'all see me better? It's nowhere like the front seat. The front seat is super comfortable. These back seats are it's like hard as hell. What the hell? But they're still not that bad. But it's probably because I sit in my front seat so much, and this one's not really worn out because people just don't sit in my car, right? People just don't get in my car like that. I'd be going to work and that's it. But if you guys look from here, I love the space. Like, if you're in the front, like, you have a lot of space to put your legs. Even though you don't have that much space to put stuff, but what else do you need besides your phone? But yeah, it's like so much space. Like, you can see everything from back here. It looks super nice from here, actually. It doesn't look like this when I'm sitting there, but from the back, it looks really nice. It's just, bro, I don't even know, bro. It's just nice, bro. Sunroof, of course. Like I said, you can't have a car without a sunroof. Do I use it? Probably no. Not really. I barely use it ever. But still nice to know that you have one. You know what I mean? But I gotta move my car into the garage because, yeah, hold on. I actually didn't get a thumbnail. I gotta get a little thumbnail real quick. And then I'm gonna show you guys the parking thing, how it works. Because I gotta park my car back in the garage anyway. Okay, so if you guys look here, I'm putting it in drive, right? I'm gonna turn on the parking aid because I'm parking it in my garage, and you guys can see. Okay, you guys can already hear it beeping, and you guys can see there how it works. So if I get really close to something, you guys will see it will turn red, and it'll start beeping faster and faster the closer I get to it. Yeah, you guys see that? Yeah, so that's that. I don't really like getting too close to stuff, so I'm gonna back up a little bit because I have room. And yeah, and of course the backup camera clearer than my camera, no cap. But yes, that's it. But yeah, guys, that will be the end of the video. If you guys did enjoy it, I would really appreciate if you guys drop a big like on the video, subscribe to the channel if you're new, and let me know if you guys want to see more of my car, because like I told you guys, I did order a whole bunch of parts for it that I will be putting, like a spoiler, backs review, a lot of stuff. I don't want to spoil it, but yeah, guys, I'm just waiting for it to get here and we'll do all of that. But that would be all, guys. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.